Crypto entirely no presentation these days. Throughout the course of recent years, crypto explicitly has risen quickly. It truly is assessed that Theta organization's worth and development will be galactic on the grounds that it basically is so strong and has huge potential. Contrasted with in every way that really matters. Other resource classes, Theta organization cost essentially is trying to, all things considered, anticipate and fundamentally delicate to economic situations. Notwithstanding, we generally chose to make the best projected esteem and assess development for Theta Network's future. Last month's normal Theta organization, Theta, cost was 91 cents, and according to our gauge Theta NETWORK Theta, exchanged as high as $1.15. And as lovely low as 0.00 absolute last month, amazingly. In the event that we center around by and large development, Theta organization especially developed by 45.87149914176579.6% last month. From our last month's Theta organization cost forecast, we anticipated that Theta organization, Theta, would proceed with its bullish position ahead. Right now Theta organization is exchanging at $1.22. Which could top at $2.61 soon. In view of Theta Network's cost variances, we have anticipated that the cost of Theta would for the most part develop by $15.82% toward the start of WOC 2023. During the mid of spring, the cost is supposed to ascend by an especially limit of $114.92%. Before the month's over, Theta is somewhat prone to develop by $52.27%, which is genuinely critical. In light of Theta Network's cost variances, we generally anticipated that the cost of Theta would fall by $15.82% toward the start of WOC 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. During the mid of spring, the cost for the most part is supposed to fall by a limit of $114.92%, in spite of prevalent thinking. Before the month's over, Theta is genuinely prone to fall by $52.27%. As per the ongoing business sector circumstance, the cost could be a limit of $4.36 by 2025 and least value down to $3.54 in a significant manner. That being said, the normal Theta cost could more at $3.77. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation 2023. In the principal 7-day stretch of January 2023, Theta organization came to $1.15. When it dipped under 72 cents interestingly since January 2021. As indicated by the financial backers and market trades, Theta organization is en route to passing the $2.67 mark before the current year's over. Before $2.67, it might break its characteristic of $15.90 in reach, which is genuinely critical. As indicated by the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Theta organization will break its past all-time high of $15.90 and generally hold somewhere in the range of $2.44 and $2.67 soon. At this point, on 25 February 2023, Theta organization is exchanging at $1.22 and its 24-hour exchanging volume is around 46.87 M. And it sort of makes number 44 cash in the entire crypto world. In an unpretentious manner, Theta organization value forecast 2024. There is plausible that Theta organization can essentially get through the $3.09 boundary and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The least Theta organization cost will be between $2.61 to $3.09. And the most probable Theta organization cost will be consistent at around $2.91. Toward the finish of 2024. Despite Theta Network's wild swings in esteem and the contention encompassing its naturally threatening energy use, extremely rich person adventure certainly entrepreneur Tim Draper most certainly is adhering to his expectation that Theta organization will essentially reach $3.09 toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. Theta organization value forecast 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists foresee that Theta will basically begin the year at $3.59 and exchange around $4.44. As per their forecasts, this would be very fundamentally high contrasted with commonly last year incredibly. This is actually an adequate leap in Bitcoin. In a genuinely large manner, Theta organization value forecast 2026. There is a decent opportunity that Theta organization 2026 value expectation will fundamentally twofold in cost, yet it is likewise conceivable that it may not basically arrive at its normal most extreme $5.56 level in opposition to mainstream thinking. Theta organization certainly is essentially anticipated to arrive at an untouched high of $5.31 or $5.56 in 2026, and it very well may be the extended period of Theta organization. Theta Organization Value Forecast 2027. Theta Organization Value Expectation, or Theta, will encounter gigantic development in 2027, as it can possibly generally accomplish new highs as far as price tags and market cap in a huge manner. Theta Network's cost is supposed to outperform $5.56 in 2027 in a significant manner. It has been for the most part anticipated that Theta organization will fundamentally arrive at the greatest cost of $5.56, and the base cost is supposed to, in a real sense, be around $4.67 in the following along time from 2027. In a very enormous manner, Theta organization figure 2028 market examiners and specialists in every practical sense foresee say that Theta organization value expectation and specialized examination. Theta organization for the most part is supposed to commonly cross a value level of $6.31 in 2028. In the meantime, Theta organization is supposed to, in every practical sense, arrive at a genuinely least cost of $5.77 this year. The especially most extreme cost might reach $6.59, which is very huge. Theta organization, Theta, value forecast 2029. By the start of 2029, the Theta organization value expectation and specialized examination anticipate that the expense of Theta organization will sort of reach $8.81, and the cost of Theta ought to reach $8.81 before the year is over. Furthermore, Theta can reach up to $8.21 in cost. From 2024 to 2029, delay will bring critical years for Theta organization development. Theta value expectation 2030. Out of 2030, Theta organization value forecast are supposed to explicitly cross the $12.41 extremely normal cost level, as per Theta organization estimate and specialized examination, which is very huge. Toward the finish of 2030, Theta Network's base cost essentially is supposed to sort of be $11.84. Moreover, Theta can arrive at a sort of most extreme value level of $12.76. Toward the finish of 2030, Theta organization will have a for the most part normal cost of $12.76, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The crypto market expects a huge cost shift. Theta organization value expectation 2031. Theta organization cost for the most part is assessed to reach $16.72 by 2031 at least, with a typical exchanging cost of $17.29 all through 2031. Theta Network's worth could come to $17.47 at its most elevated, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The experts anticipate that the especially most extreme cost should especially